Well, hello guys and welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we will add some extensions to the Visual Studio Code. So let's get started. Simply click on this thing in here. It's for extensions. And in here you want to type, first of all, live server. Live server. And in here you can see live server. So simply click on that. And what that allows you to do, well, basically when you save your file, your HTML file, and you have like in here some URL address, and when you save your HTML file, it will automatically reload the address, so you don't have to worry about it. And I'm not sure whether you are familiar with it, but it saves you a lot of time. So in here you should see something like install button. When you click on that, it will automatically do everything for you. No questions asked, like no terms of service, nothing, right? It automatically adds this to your Visual Studio Code. And other extensions that you probably want to use is called Beautify. Right in here you can see Beautify, and what that does, well, basically when you save your code, it automatically get rid of the like spaces and stuff like that. So it basically formats the file for you whenever you save your project. So that is also extremely useful tool that you can use. As you can see, it have like 4,600,000 downloads. So a lot of people use it and it's great. I personally recommend that. But anyway, when you install the LiveServe and go to your file explorer, right? So in here, and add a new file. I will just call it index.html. I will show you how to open the live server so that you can see the actual file. So in here I will just write exclamation mark, and it will automatically suggest me like some template of a page. So I'll just hit save. But I don't run this at a browser, right? So what I can do is by right clicking on the index, I can select this open with live server, and it will open this file at my browser. So in here basically it opens new tab, and in here you see the file. So for example, if I add in here like some basic stuff and hit save, it automatically reloads the page, right? So that is pretty cool without me doing pretty much anything, right? It's all basic automatic. So that is great tool that saves you a lot of time, and you know how to use it.